So tired. Alright. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My hair is up in a ponytail, so you know what that means. Today is another workout inspired video. I think I'm gonna make this like a series while we're in quarantine, just like a workout, like health type of series. So I'm thinking every Friday I'm gonna post a video. There might be some days where I post it on other ones, but it'll be in a playlist if you want to check those out. Also, you guys seem to enjoy my previous video, which is the Ting 2-week ab shred challenge. If you haven't seen that video yet, click the card or the little thing that looks like an eye. It's somewhere over here, and go and check that out. Let's not even talk too much. Today's video is the 1,000 reps in a day challenge, and I am not the most in shape person, which is why I'm doing these videos. So you other people that aren't like extreme like Olympic champions, we can see how this is on normal people. The video that I'm going to be using is the Ting 1,000 reps to burn fat and get abs video. So I am just going to do this and see what happens in one day. I know in her video she says do this over a period of a few days, but I know it's a big thing going around to do like the 1,000 abs in a day and just see what happens. I don't expect any weight loss with this at all. It is literally a one-day challenge. What I do expect is for this to possibly kick my butt. I am also at the beginning just to see. I don't know if I'm gonna lose any inches, like everything's gonna squeeze in for a few minutes, I don't know, but I'm going to measure myself, my waist again, and I'm going to measure it after the workout just to see if any numbers show anything, like any muscle contraction. I'm not sure. I have talked enough. I am starting to get annoyed hearing my own voice, so let's just get into the measurements and we're gonna break out this yoga mat and do the challenge. Alright everyone, let's just measure my waist really quick just to see where I'm at. Okay, so we're just going to measure two parts of my waist. We're going to measure the top and then we're going to measure down in here. If you don't already know, I lost 2 inches in my Ting challenge, so I should still be right about at 31. So we're at about 31. And then we're gonna do down here. So I'm at about 33.5 right now. Those are my measurements. I'm just gonna like get into filming myself doing this because this is going to take a while. Wish me luck. So tired. Okay. Whew. I just want to take a nap. I want to go to sleep. Look at I forgot that this challenge was also a full body workout. So it wasn't just abs, but I feel it. So what I'm going to do, since it's right after, I'm going to stand up, show you everything. I'm not expecting weight loss. I'm just seeing if we can, you know, tone my abs. My shirt looks a little crazy right now, but this is my belly. Let's just go with the measuring tape. Like I said, there's always something different about if you're relaxed and slouching, no support, but if you're up, you're supporting yourself. This is what we got. Ooh, I'm sticky, y'all. It's sticking. It took it down. I don't know if you can tell because my little thing isn't there anymore. But like, can you kind of see where the separation is? My lower part went down to 32. I'm pretty happy, and I can only imagine what this would be like if I were to do it every day, but I'm not gonna do that. Maybe that's just my tiredness talking. That is the challenge. Those are the immediate results. Honestly, I saw some results. It's not a lie. I mean, Chloe never said that you were gonna get abs in like, she was never like, if you want abs immediately in one day, this is what you do. So disclaimer about that. Don't go to her video thinking that's the case. This is just a challenge that's going around right now. I hope you enjoyed this video. You should totally give this a try. I will link her video down in the description box below. And if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below to let me know that you like what I have to show. And if you haven't seen my 2-week or like abs in 2 weeks challenge, go check that out. It is my previous video. So yeah, I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Make sure to stay healthy, stay hydrated, and stay happy. And I will see you guys in my next video that should be coming out on Monday. Bye guys.